Hello, welcome back in 2022 with new episodes of our series about Stellavox TD9 tape machine. Today we'll take a look on tape head orientation based on two standards, German and let's say American. But first, a little history. The Germans developed the first tape machine even before the World War II, and it was used in Radio Berlin. At the end of the war, when the US Army entered the radio station, they were amazed by the technology the Germans had, and they literally stole the machine to the US. A couple of years later, new tape machine was introduced in Hollywood. As you know, Hollywood has the power to promote, so the golden age of the tape recorders began. One major change the Americans did: they switched the heads upside down, and the world started using this new, let's say, US standard. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is old broadcast tape 528, and we choose this because there is big difference in color. This is magnetic side and this is back coating. The reel is also winded in the German way, so the magnetic side faces us, and also the heads are facing to the plates. When we're loading the tape, the magnetic side is facing to heads. Okay, so now let's put the tape on a US standard machine. The tape is twisted because the magnetic heads are facing us. Now we have a tape winded in the US standard, so let's put it on the machine. Let's try this tape on the German standard machine. But Stellavox can play both standards without a twist. Let's try the US standard. So finally, we will try to play the tape winded in the German way on a Stellavox machine. At first, we need to switch these two screws to the red position. Now the loading is slightly different and you have to follow spaced line. This is all possible because the brakes can be switched to the opposite direction, but that's in another video. See you soon! At the end of the world, when the...
At the end of the World War... At the end of the war...
At the end of the
world...
Sorry.
Apocalypse.
At the end of the world, when the... At the end of the world... At the end of the world... To world, ty kokos, to neskutečné.
War.
Ja viem, war.
Než ideš.
At the end of the war.
War.
At the end of the world.